Okay, so today we are going to see the unit number 3. Okay, quality. Okay, now now what do you mean by quality and why quality is required? See, in any organization, you see the quality is a necessary factor, because with the help of the quality we can able to sell our product at a larger scale. Okay, quality plays an important role in each and every factor to improve the product line. Okay, now suppose if you're a, if you're having a manufacturing unit and your quality is very good, so sometimes the customer are ready to purchase your product by looking at the quality, and quality plays an important role in every factor. Okay, if you go anywhere you will see quality is such a thing through which you can improve your product at a larger scale. Okay, and even though there is a huge amount of competition in the market, then also the product gets sold out very quickly. Okay, so quality plays an important role. Now, dimensions of quality. Okay, extra items at fundamental design. So example of air conditioning and a small television setup added to the car. Reliability, chances that the item will play out its operation or capacity inside the normal time allotment. That is why the clothes washer will play out the capacity for around 5 years. Now they have given certain example. These are the examples of the manufactured products with the dimension of quality. Okay, uh, yes, definitely the duration of product lasts before replacement. Definitely, if your product is qualitative one, the duration can also be expanded, right? The working condition, the working the I mean the product service is also be the effective one if the product quality is good, right? So quality is an important factor, and you should also see that the product quality should be good while purchasing any kind of product. And for the manufacturing unit, definitely if they look at the quality, if they prefer to give more focus on the quality, definitely their product can be increased, their product can show a better growth. Okay, so quality plays an important role over here. Now the next thing that we are going to see is a total time quality management. Okay, commitment of quality throughout the organization. Now see, they have given few principles of total quality management, uh, such as leadership, kaizen, cooperation, customer oriented, statistical approaches, employee responsibility, training and education, and strategic planning. Okay, these all are the tools of principles of total quality management. Then quality guru in year 1951. Okay, uh, Armand introduce view of total quality control and continuous quality improvement. Okay, they have given certain dimension of total quality control and continuous quality improvement, right? They have defined absolute of quality management. I mean, they have given more focus on quality management and zero defects. Zero defects means there is no defects in the quality. Okay, no defects in the product. I mean, the product performance is 100% oriented, and it is definitely going to help the customer if they purchase that product. Okay, so they want that in manufacturing of that product there will be no defect. I mean, there is no such kind of defect, and if the product is purchased by the customer get the advantage of having a good product if they purchase that product. So while having a good quality, the product performance can be increased, and definitely customer will consume that product, and they will try to purchase the product again and again if the quality is good. Now there are few quality control tools which they have given. Okay, check check sheet, flow chart, SPC chart, petro analysis, histogram, scatter design, cause and effect diagram. So these all are the quality control tools. Then quality awards, they have also uh, given focus on the quality awards. This award has been created in the year 1987, okay, to stimulate growth of quality management in United States. Okay, in United States, you know, the business people, they have created this Malcolm Beldrich Award. Okay, Malcolm Beldrich Award. It has been started in the year 1987, and this the motto of this Malcolm Beldrich Award is to make sure that the product which they have they are manufacturing, it should be qualitative one. So for for you know, nominating a good kind of product, they have created this kind of award. Okay, and they want that the product should be in good quality only, so they have created this kind of award so that people, the businessmen, those who are manufacturing the goods, they also want to have this award, so they have created this kind of competition for making a good qualitative product. So the categories of this uh, Malcolm Beldrich Award is leadership, strategic planning, human resources, information and analysis, focus, process management, business related results, market focus, and customers. So these all are the quality awards. Okay, then ISO 900. It is an arrangement and approaches and methodology of universal quality affirmation of provider standards. Now ISO 9200 quality management system, standard to judge capacity and accomplish customer loyalty. Quality management system direction for the performance improvement, set a guidance to organization for consistent change in the quality administrative framework. So these all are the ISO 900. Process, technology, and capacity. Okay, this is the next one, that is called as process technology and capacity. Process strategy, capacity, intensity, labor resources use the process, production and combination which is with the capital. Process flexibility, how easily and deep pockets can be utilized in accordance to variable customer demand, products and services, technology and availability of money. Vertical integration, output of each stage of production process in the controlled manner and extent to which firm will produce its input. Involvement of customers, role of customer in production process. So these all are the process strategy. Okay, then make and buy decision, cost of outlay expenditure, capacity of maximum amount of something can contain. Okay, quality, speed, reliability, the rate of someone or something moves and operate and able to move or operate. Okay, then reliability, measurement, calculation, specification can be depend on to be accurate. Okay, reliability, whether the product is very much accurate for the selling, right, whether the product which you have purchased, it is optimum level to your benefit or not. Okay, so all these factors comes into the reliability, whether the product is reliable to you or not. I mean, if you're making any kind of product, if the customer purchase that product, it should be make sure you should be the product should be such like that it should give a maximum result to him. so that in again and again he will try to purchase your product only, because he or she think that this is the best product for you, for him, I mean for the customer. So this is the important factor of reliability. Okay, then expertise, exact skill and knowledge on a particular field. Definitely expertise means what? Exact skill and knowledge of a particular field. Now now see, over here the skills people plays an important role. See, if you want to, if we are doing any kind of production of the activity, you should have a skilled labors. I mean skilled labor are required when you are making a production of such a product which required such a certain kind of skills. Now I will give you an example. See, there are there are a lot of field of engineering, right? Civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, uh, telecommunication engineering, electronic and telecommunication engineering. So all these are the fields. Okay, and you should know which field you need to see. Okay, so by looking at your field, you can able to understand where you want to go. Okay, so all these are the important terminologies, and you need to see where you will go further. Okay, so these all are the important factors that is called as make and buy decision. Then selection of process, project production in the batches, mass production, continuous production. Okay, these all are the important factors of selection of the process. Then types of process, project, batch, mass. Product which is the unique for their type, one customer at a time, non-linear product demand volume, very low type. Okay, these are the type of process. Then our second one is batch one. Okay, demand fluctuation, few employees customers, few individual customers, made to order type of the product. Okay, fabrication, wide range of skill. Then mass market, stable demand, high demand volume, limited range of skills. Then continuous mass market, demand demand which is very stable, very high demand of volume. Continuous and process industries, sophisticated and automatic equipment monitor skills. So these all are the process. Now technology of information sharing, the data bank. Now see, in India also we are operating the business of US and UK and other countries, like, right? Now see, if you worked in MNC company, that is called a multinational company, you can see that you will get a data of the foreign companies, right? If you are working for the foreign companies, that a multinational company, you can see the data which is coming to you is for the foreign companies. And sometimes you have a B2B business. B2B means what? Business to business, or a business to customer. In this field you will find that doing business between the firm on the internet, doing business between firm and customers as order fulfillment on the internet, a world of attached information in classified form. Internet, the organization communication internal network with password, baba securities, etc. Okay, now there are few challenges which they have told about the having the business in the information sharing network. There are few barriers also, such as hacking can be done. Okay, so you should be having a proper protection of the virus as well. So so over here the flotation of information through internet can be done effectively. Okay, now these all are the things uh, for the international business, which is very much required, right? If you want to place your order from here this country to other country, right? If you want to sell your product from this country to other country. Definitely you need to see about the product effectiveness, and also you need to make a proper communication. For making a proper communication, these all are the tools which is very much important. Sometimes while sharing the information from us to the other country, the hacking can be done. I mean, your information can be stolen. So you need to see that your information should not be stolen out. I mean, it should not be gathered to the person, those who want to take advantage of you, right? Those who want to make any kind of you know losses to you. So you have to make sure that your business can be grown, and you have to see that your business can be grown while having a proper uh, while having a proper business tools. Okay. And your network should be also uh, protected from the these harmful hackers. Okay. Now we are going to see the facility location. Okay, facility location is also an important factor for handling the proper goods. Now, arrangement of facilities in the given, minimizing the cost of material handling. Definitely, you have to see that your business should be in such a position that your business should be in such a position that you can easily communicate with the you can easily make a transport of your goods from one place to another without any without any hesitation. I mean, the transportation cost should be minimized, so you should have to make a proper material handling of it. Okay. The second one is utilization of space efficiently. Okay. You should also have to make sure that you will able to use your space effectively. Then utilize labor in an effective manner, efficient manner. Okay. You have to uh, make your proper utilization of labor in effective manner. Elimination of bottleneck. Then facilitate interaction and communication. You should also have to make a proper facilitation of interaction and communication. Then minimizing the time of manufacturing cycle time. Then minimizing the time of customer service. Minimizing improper and redundant movement. Then increase utilization of capacity. You should also have to make sure that the capacity should be increased. Okay. Then implant all the safety measures and security. Improving a camera like nothing to monitor. Providing mode of changing so that it is easily to make changes in the adapt easily, and it should be adapted easily. So these all are the changes that you need to see. Okay. Then basic layout, process layout. In this type of layout, the machine of the similar type are arranged together at one places. This type of layout is used for batch production. It is preferred which when the product is not standardized and the quality produced is very small. Okay, that is called as basic layout. Then we are going to see the human resources and operational management. Okay. Human resources and total quality management, human resources and operational management. See, technological and natural assets depend upon the organization. You should have a skilled HR, those who can recruit a proper people, those who are having a good knowledge about the particular particular production which you are doing, right? So skilled HR should be there who can recruit a right person in a right time. Okay. Then all companies have human resources. Manufacturing work in all the more in fact defined shift towards service sector, advance in IT, human resources and total quality management. Quality management change the consider representatives from superfluous to significant assets. Employees have energy to settle on choices that will rise client administration and quality. Strategic objectives for customers loyalty and quality requires assemble supports and collaboration. So these are all the important factors. Then next one is human resources and management changing nature. Advantages of tax specialism, employee motivation plays an important role over here for positive operation and feedback. Okay, motivation is required uh, to increase the morale of the employee, and it is also important to have a good and effective workplace to work. Okay, the workplace should be effective one. I mean, they should not get any kind of regrets, they should not get any kind of dispute with the other people, they should get a healthy environment and comfortable zone, so that the production can be done very effective manner and they can able to provide you a good result. Okay, so for that you should have to provide a healthy environment for them to work. Okay, then this is the tool of very good responsibility of employee motivation. Okay, empowerment, employee work responsibility, the satisfaction of employee need. You should also see that the workers need, employees need, what are the tools equipment they require, what are the things they require. You also have to handle that things. Okay, then provide operation and feedback, rewards the light of operation and also work for force execution, achievement of company goals, restructuring of jobs when necessary. So all these are the things. Okay, then evaluation of theories and employee motivation, then complementing trends of human resource management, job training, empowerment, giving workers energy to take choices, cross training, an employee learns multiple job teams, a class of representative work on issues and their prompt work area, flexible work routine, part of the day-to-day work plan in which representative can pick time of lending and take off, job enrichment, horizontal, vertical. Okay, a representative is due out an entire unit of work which categorize beyond begin and end vertical. All employees control over their work. Okay, so human resource management plays an important role in every sector. Okay, even in manufacturing unit you can see the human resource management plays an important role. Why? Because they are the person, those who recruit a person, they are the person who are looking at the working condition of them, working condition of the employee. They are also a person, those who are providing the benefits for the employees. Those are human resource are the person, those who are providing the proper guidance, proper training to the employees. Okay, so over here in any manufacturing unit, human resource plays an important role for the growth and development. Now employee compensation, now type to pay. Now see, there are few type of compensation that we are going to see. uh, Hourly wages, or draw out somebody work and more, he or she, straight salary, common forms of salary for management. Okay, piece rate of individual incentives, employee earn for a quantity of unit they make in the work day. Okay, now commissions usually applicable to sale and salesperson. Then profit distribution sets aside a piece of benefits for workers at year's end. Then gain sharing and motivating force throughout joint workers in a typical endeavors to accomplish organization objectives which now next part that we are going to see is a project management. Okay, project management is an important factor because project management deals with the area of having a capital. It also deals with the area of execution of plan, execution of new project, having the factor of effectiveness and efficiency in the while making the growth in the market. So always remember that project management plays an important role of having a proper precise collection of jobs and activities which after completion project manage and project management is important to make sure that the tasks must be performed in according with the technical order. Foundation of the home should be made before the walls are set up. This is the slogan which they have told, right? Project management is important factor for the growth and development of the company, effectiveness and efficiency. Project management is required to set up a proper goal while having losses in future. So if you want to reduce the or maximize the risks, you should have a proper project management activity. Project management plays an important role to provide you a great benefits great benefits to reduce the future uncertainties. Okay, project management is helpful for making the business growth and development while having a proper planning and objectives. Okay, project management is understanding of understanding of execution of work. Project management is important for the market competitiveness. Project management is important for the expectation of customers approach. Okay, project management is also important for customer focus. Project management is also important for ability to change, implement and manage activities. Project management is important for exploitation of knowledge. Project management is important to increase the customer focus. Project management is important for multi project environment. Functions of project management emphasis on planning the project, scheduling the project. Project management is important for defining the work requirement. Project management is important for scheduling the project. Project management is also important for monitoring and controlling the project. Okay, so these are the functions of project management. There are few project life cycle. There are few stages of project life cycle. Project life cycle is recognized that every project has limited span, predictable changes in the level of efforts and focus over the entire life of the project. Okay, now see the stages of the project: defining, planning, executing, delivering stages. These four are the important stages of project. Then defining goals, specification, tasks, responsibilities are the defining stages. Then second one is planning stage. In planning stages, we are doing the scheduling of work, budget, resources, risks, staffing. Okay, staffing means we are recruiting a person those who required a proper job and those who are having the skills to perform that job. Okay, then executing status reports, changes, quality forecast. These all are the executing activity. Then closing, delivery, train customers, transfer documents, release resources, revolution, lesson learned. So these are the closing delivery. Then product life cycle: research and development, market introduction, growth, maturity, deterioration, that are the product life cycle. Then life cycle phrases for different project. Now see, there are few life cycle phrases such as engineering, manufacturing, software development, okay, uh, construction. These all are the major life cycle phrases of different project. Now in see engineering, they have written a setup, definition, main, termination. In manufacturing, formation, building, production, phrase out, final audit. In software, conceptual, planning, definition and design, code, integration, testing, conversion, maintenance. Then in construction, planning, data collection and procedure, studies and basic and engineering, major reviews, detail, engineering, construction, testing and commissioning, commissioning. Then project integration management, focus all project efforts towards the strategic plan for the organization, reinforcing mastery of project management and interpersonal skills may require re-engineering of business management process, integration of project with strategic plan of the organization, integration within the process of managing actual project. So these are the project integration management. Framework for the world-class manufacturing. World-class manufacturing is a collection of concepts which set up standard for the production and manufacturing for other organization to flow. World-class manufacturing is the process derived approach where various techniques and philosophy are used in the combination of others. Okay, it is a recognition of the organization as a benchmark of the business sector and for the same aspect by other industry sectors. The main aim is to compete with the quality of the worldwide market and becoming competitive in global market. Okay, the positioning of international manufacturing excellence achieved by delivering the culture based on factors such as continuous improvement, problem prevention, quality management, total quality management. See, they have given few tools and concepts. See, now the year of establishment they have given, and they have given which tool and concept is been established in that year. Okay, in the year 1980, JIT, which is known as just in time, Kanban, TQC, TQM, TPM, cellular manufacturing, and MRP2 is been established in the year 1980. In the year 1960, CIM empowerment Kaizen has been established in the year 1989. Technology management, system management, training, total management flow, design management, manufacturing strategy, performance measures has been established in the year 1989. In the year 1991, benchmarking structure and culture, innovation management, corporate strategy, group technology batch size reduction has been established in the year 1991. In the year 1996, concurrent engineering, business process re-engineering, supplier quality and partnership has been established in the year 1996. So these all are the major framework of world-class manufacturing. Okay. This world-class manufacturing framework has been helpful for the growth and development of the manufacturing unit, and lots of the manufacturing unit even in India, they are utilizing the concept of these tools, because these tools is very much effective for them to establish the standardized format and to increase their flow of flotation of the activities, and helpful for uh, helpful for capturing the market condition. It is also helpful for selling optimum level of product to the customers, and customer also get benefit of it. Okay, this framework is also helpful for having a good world class technological products supplied to the customers. Nowadays you can see, even in the sector of lighting, you will see there are lots of companies those who are coming with the new innovative techniques. Okay, suppose suppose in a home, if light goes, so you can press a button and the bulb gets switched on. I mean, even though the electricity is not there, you can have a power of having light. Okay, so these all are the main strategies. These all are the main techniques which has been innovated. Nowadays also, when the electricity went off, at that time also you will get a power of having a light. So and there are other, in not just in the field of electricity, in the field of, in there are other field also where you can see there is a huge amount of growth, and this growth can be achieved only when you are able to sustain in the market in a proper way. And this can be done with the help of this manufacturing processes, manufacturing tools, manufacturing processes, and this manufacturing, these tools and concept which we have discussed, that is Kaizen, just in time, TQM, TPM, right? Empowerment, benchmarking, structure. So in the upcoming lecture, we are going to discuss about the inventory management. Okay, let us discuss few things about the inventory management and then we will wind up. Okay, inventory is the collection of raw material, finished goods, spares, tools, etc. It is just considered as a tangible. However, service are considered to be tangible in nature, but the goods that facilitate the delivery of service are tangible and being inventory into the realm of services operation management. See, inventory management plays a vital role in retail, wholesale, repairing, maintenance, etc. Inventory management is a important component of cost. Okay, in order to deliver on one needs supply of goods in a form of inventory on time. Okay, which often demands higher inventory level. Okay, so inventory management plays an important role to have a product and the cost balance. Now inventory management, there are lots of things we need to discuss. We will discuss these things in the upcoming lecture about the inventory management. Okay, there are few control techniques also in inventory management. Control techniques: ABC, HCL, XYZ, LED, uh, FSM, fast moving, okay, non fast moving, SDE, Gulf, SOS, that all we will discuss in the upcoming lecture. Okay, at this stage we have completed near about half of the portion. We will see the remaining part in the upcoming lecture. Till then, I think from my side it's okay for today. Okay, we will discuss the resource planning also in the upcoming lecture. Okay, thanks for your cooperation. Thank you very much.